start. In Sessions case number 5 of 2015 in the court of Additional Sessions Judge Ratangarh District Churu, Rajasthan, the accused respondent number 2 is facing trial for offences under sections 302, 304B and 498A of the Indian Penal Code due to the death of his wife under unnatural circumstances in Nigeria. Stop. The appellant, mother of the deceased, moved an application under section 311 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in the said case seeking summoning of one Dr. Yusuf, who had conducted first postmortem of the dead body of the appellant's daughter in Nigeria through High Commission of Nigeria, or to record his evidence through video conferencing after issuing a commission for the purpose. Stop para. By its order dated 31st/5/2018, the trial court rejected the application so moved by the appellant, essentially for reasons that the trial was pending for almost 8 years and that it was not necessary to record the statement of Dr. Yusuf because a copy of the postmortem report prepared by him had already been exhibited. Stop. The appellant attempted to question the order so passed by the trial court before the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan at Jodhpur in criminal miscellaneous petition number 2282 of 2018. Stop. However, the High Court dismissed the said petition by its impugned order dated 2/8/2018 with the observation that there was no reason to interfere in the exercise of discretion by the trial court. Stop. Aggrieved, the appellant has preferred this appeal by a special leave. Stop. The background aspects so far relevant for the present purpose could be noticed in brief as follows. The prosecution case is that the deceased daughter of the appellant was married to the accused respondent number 2 on 21/4/2008 at Rajal Desar. She was residing in her matrimonial home along with father and mother of her husband, and later on she had shifted to Bangalore and then to Nigeria with her husband, but was regularly harassed with demand for dowry. Stop. It is alleged that on 14/1/2010 the appellant's daughter, while living with her husband, the accused respondent number 2 in Nigeria, died under unnatural circumstances when she was found hanging from the ceiling fan in her room. Stop. An FIR bearing number 10 of 2010 was lodged at police station Rajal Desar, District Churu, by the husband of appellant, father of the deceased, alleging inter alia that his daughter was harassed with persistent demands for dowry and she was subjected to cruelty to the extent that it ultimately led to her death in Nigeria. Stop. The first postmortem of the dead body of the appellant's daughter was conducted by Dr. Yusuf in Iminu Kanu Teaching Hospital, Nigeria on 16/1/2010, who upon examination stated his opinion that the cause of death was asphyxia secondary to strangulation. Stop. Thereafter, the dead body of the appellant's daughter was brought to India, where a medical board was constituted for further postmortem, but the medical board stated that no definite opinion could be formed regarding the time and cause of death of the daughter of the appellant. Stop. After investigation, charge sheet was filed against the respondent number 2 for the offences under section 302, 304B and 498A IPC. Stop. In the trial, the prosecution led its evidence and various witnesses were examined, but as the members of the board were unable to give any definite opinion as to the cause of death an application under section 311 CRPC was moved by the appellant for issuance of summons to the said Dr. Yusuf, Department of Pathology,